Hey guys, welcome to day 10, the very last day of our digital launch. Today we're going to be discussing drawings and inspection, so stay tuned.
It's in the stars. Hasn't it always been? As far back as humans go, we've been looking up. Our drive to explore our universe has always pushed technology forward. The Canada-France-Hawaii telescope has been giving us clear glimpses into the cosmos for over 40 years. But technology changes a lot in 40 years. So when it's time for a redesign, you need a system that has performance, attention to detail, a full design ecosystem, and offers the latest innovations. Welcome to the 2019 Solidworks Release, presented to you by CAD Dimensions.
SolidWorks 2019 has a focus on increasing performance across many areas of the design environment, and drawings were not left out of that equation. The opening progression menu was first introduced in SolidWorks 2018, and it helped us evaluate opening times for our assemblies. In SolidWorks 2019, drawings is getting its own open progression menu. During the opening process of a drawing, the progress menu will express in real time the steps it's going through. This gives you an idea of what portions of your drawing might be causing setbacks as far as performance. Drawings that take longer than 1 minute to open will provide a performance evaluation, giving you the information that you need to modify the drawing for efficiency. Another enhancement towards performance is changes in Automatic View Updates option. This setting is now a document property, which allows you to save the setting to the drawing file rather than being a setting for the current session. Also, we have the ability to exclude views for automatic rebuild. This allows the user to turn rebuilding off for complex views or multiple views per sheet to prevent a large rebuild time for the drawing. The views that are excluded from auto rebuild can be rebuilt manually on an individual basis at any time. Improving performance isn't the only enhancement for drawings this year. We now have access to a new type of section view. This new feature is called Removed Section View and allows us to quickly add a sliced section across any two model edges. The new view is attached to a perpendicular section line and able to be placed right on or next to the original view. This makes adding model views of varying cross sections a slice of cake. Okay. Horrible puns aside, these enhancements to drawings will help you get your designs documented and out the doors faster than ever.
SolidWorks Inspection 2019 adds some powerful new enhancements that give you greater flexibility when generating first article inspection reports. But before we get started with the cool new 2019 stuff, I'd like to remind you that as of SP2 of 2018, full PDM integration was added to Inspection Standalone. This allows quality engineers to easily maintain a record of all the inspection documents as well as track version history of the inspection project itself. Back in 2018, we were limited to 6 predefined custom properties when creating an inspection report. Now with Inspection 2019, when creating a new inspection project, you can add any custom properties from either the drawing or its associated model. Simply choose to add a new custom property, then choose from a list of names stored in the project template. Next, selecting a new value displays all of the available custom properties on both the drawing and the model. Any number and combination of both drawing and model properties can be added to a project, enabling quality teams to leverage even more SolidWorks design information. Inspection 2019 adds support for even more annotation types. You can now choose to extract and balloon whole table information as part of the project. Once all the annotations have been ballooned, the extracted characteristics are displayed in a new tabular layout, making it easier to view and manage all the information from the drawing. Inspection now includes many more options for managing the grouping of characteristics, giving you complete flexibility over the way in which annotations are ballooned. For example, using the ungroup option, this hole callout can be split into multiple items. Now each hole, size, and depth are identified as individual characteristics, each with their own balloon, and can be modified independently of one another. At any time, characteristics can be regrouped together either with a single shared balloon or as a subset of the same item, giving you complete control over the way in which project information is displayed. All of these great enhancements were 100% customer driven this year. So now, with SOLIDWORKS Inspection 2019, you can generate your first article inspection reports more efficiently than ever.
All right, Derek, so drawings and inspection, what do we got here?
Was it last year we got the assembly open progress indicator?
Yeah.
That's a mouthful to begin with, but we now have that in drawings. I think that's going to be really useful, especially when we have customers that have very large drawings.
Yep.
So I think that's going to be beneficial to them. And then the new removed section view. I know we've been doing kind of removed section views as a workaround for many years. So
Sure.
I think that's a really big one.
Yeah, when's the last time we got a new view altogether?
Yeah, that is very true. And then for inspection, being able to balloon hole tables, that's something we didn't have, and I think that's going to be really beneficial. And then, you talked about communication through a lot of different things, whether it's PDM, electrical. We talked about it with Composer as well.
Yep.
Inspection gets a PDM integration as well. So, across all of the SOLIDWORKS family or ecosystem, we do have that PDM integration. I think.
Yeah, every year everything just gets tighter knit. It's great to see.
Absolutely. So that was the last launch events. I mean, could you pick out like one or two of your favorite of everything?
Oh man, I'd have to stick with visualize enhancements because I always do. The physics is so cool in visualize,
and we can drive it with a.
You can,
Yeah.
you can. It's so cool. I'd have to go with that.
Okay, all right. I'd probably have to say the 3D textures for me, or like large design review.
Yeah.
Those two are going to be super cool. So, hey, appreciate everybody checking in with us and watching all these videos. Please go back through, watch, tell us what your favorite enhancements are. Tell us which videos you liked, and
check out their open house events.
check out the open house events. Yes, I will be at every single one. So come say hi to me. I don't know if there's going to be beer. There may or may not be beer. So I don't want to. We're going to rope people in with beer. But
All right. Well, if there is, I'll be there.
all right. See
We'll
you guys later.
soon.